welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a rainbow cookies, and we will start with the red. It's easy to remember the color of the rainbow. Just say with me, Roy G. Viv. So today we're going to take the first color, which is the red, and make a sexy red velvet cookie. And also I will be showing you the tweak recipe from Nino's home. Remember the one with the perfect chocolate cookie, the taste which is blunt. I will be adding salt and replace the softened butter to brown butter so that it will level up its taste. Let's begin! Let us start with the red velvet cookie recipe as the first letter of the rainbow. And here it is. Here are the ingredients. Brown butter. It's 140. This is 120 grams of butter. This is 140 all-purpose flour. 100 grams sugar. 10 grams of dark cocoa powder. 1 egg. And I put 1 teaspoon of vanilla in the egg, and half a teaspoon of baking powder, and there is 1/4 teaspoon of salt here, and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, white chocolate chip. I have here red color. I may be using 1/4 to 1/2 of this color depending on what intensity I will see later. Okay, let's start. We will start with the butter to mix this. This lovely brown butter. I put the link in my previous video, and I will be putting the link again. And here is the sugar. You have to cream it. And we have the egg. Next is egg and the vanilla in it. Vanilla. Okay, and then we have the flour and the baking powder. I will put. Other recipe are putting baking powder and baking soda. Now I'm just using the baking powder. I'll change my whisk to this. Okay. And let's see how dry this one goes. Yes, it is the consistency I like. And now I'm going to put the red color. I'm going to see if 1 tablespoon is enough. I would like to add a teaspoon of this, and I would like also to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Now the chocolate chips, white chocolate chips. I don't want the ice cream scoop. This is quite big. I will end up with a big cookie. I want just a bite-sized cookie, so I will be using this teaspoon. I already dipped this in the oil, and I will just be getting this big, and put this So we're now on the second tray. Still, I want the bite size. I'm going to put this in the fridge. Yes, I put this in the chiller. Yeah, this one is already from the fridge. The other one is here. It's here. And so I put this in the chiller for 5 minutes, and I will now cook this for 12, let's say 12. I'll try 12 to 14 minutes. This is just bite size at 170 degrees Celsius. If this cooks up 10 minutes, 12 minutes, yeah. Yes, it did. And it is cooked. The third tray now. They come out good. So these are now the sexy red velvet cookie that I've just cooked, and it's already cooled down and it's a bit hard now. And I'm going to put some Christmassy thing here so that we can sell it to friends. You see, I promised to help the proceeds of my rainbow cookies for the Ulysses victim. And so here's the batch for that. Have melted white chocolate. I put, this is chocolate chips, white chocolate chips. I put half a teaspoon of oil and microwave this for 30 seconds each, 2 times. And this is now the result. I put this on the piping bag that I just made here. You see, these are the ones that I press, and these ones that I just leave as it is. When I scoop it with half 1 teaspoon, I just leave it and did not press it down, and this one looks quite good. And that's why these are the things that I'm going to pipe. So I just make G-cliff now out of this. It's just like a musical symbol. These are inverted G-cliff. I make the right one, and these 2 tweak recipe from Nino's perfect chocolate recipe. The finished product is already cold. Now this tweaked recipe from Nino's home, and the taste is a lot better now. It's, you see, this one is the perfect bite size for me, and it cooks at 12 minutes at 190 degrees, unlike the one with using an ice cream scoop. And so I've shown you my red velvet recipe cookie and the one that I tweaked from Nino's perfect choco cookie. So that's it. Now friends, next will be the orange, and stand by for what that cookie will be. Please don't forget to press the notification bell and subscribe so that you will be updated with my next video. God bless everyone. Bye bye.